Hi everyone and welcome to Germany for Student channel. Today is lesson number 36 of A2 level of German language course, and today we will continue with the topic Nebensätze mit als. In lesson number 35 we also saw this conjugation als, we saw the sentence structure and examples. Today we will see it from a different angle, so let's start today's lesson. I start in the same way. Sah seine Mutter. He saw his mother. This is one example. This is one sentence. Stieg aus dem Zug. He got off the train. Now these are two sentences where first sentence is Hauptsatz and second sentence is Nebensatz. In lesson number 35, we saw that when we want to use als conjugation, by putting the Nebensätze at the first position and Hauptsatz at the second position, then what sentence structure we have to follow. And in today's lesson, we will see if we put Hauptsatz first and Nebensätze after that, then what will be the sentence structure. In this case, Hauptsatz sentence structure will be that we start the sentence, or we start the Hauptsatz with subject, then comes verb. This verb will be conjugated according to the subject of Hauptsatz, and then object will come. If we want to combine this Hauptsatz with Nebensatz, then the Nebensatz sentence structure will be that we start the Nebensatz with als conjugation. Soon after als, we will use the subject of sentence, then comes object, and the last position of sentence is for verb, and this verb will be conjugated according to the subject of Nebensatz. So if we want to apply this rule on the sentences above, the sentence that we get will be sah seine Mutter. He saw his mother, als aus dem Zug stieg. When he got off the train. We know that als conjugation will be used for such events which have occurred in past and they have occurred only once, and there is no repetition of event that we are describing by making use of als conjugation. Let's have a look at some other examples. Ich habe Obst eingekauft. I bought fruit. This sentence is not in the same sentence structure that we have seen above, because here we are using perfect tense, and we know that when we use perfect tense in German language, then we put sein or haben verb at second position, we conjugate it according to the subject of sentence, and at the last position of sentence we use the participe 2 form of main verb. So ich habe Obst eingekauft. Ich bin gestern nach Hause gegangen. So if we want to combine both sentences with the conjugation als, ich habe Obst eingekauft, I bought fruit, then we put a comma and give a space, als ich gestern nach Hause gegangen bin. So we are starting the Nebensatz with als conjugation. Soon after that, we will use subject of sentence, which is ich. Then comes gestern nach Hause. Gegangen is participe 2 form of gehen verb, and we will use it at the second last position. And sein or haben verb will come at the last position of sentence. In this case, we have used sein verb and we have conjugated it according to subject ich. So conjugation of sein for ich subject is bin, and we have used this conjugation of sein verb at the last position of the sentence. Next example, wir haben ihr gratuliert. We have congratulated her. Frau Müller heiratete. Frau Müller got married. In this example, we are again describing an event that happened in past and it happened only once. So we can use als conjugation. In this case, if we apply als conjugation on these two sentences or combine these two sentences with the use of als conjugation by putting Hauptsatz first and Nebensatz after that, we will use it like wir haben ihr gratuliert. So Hauptsatz sentence structure will remain unchanged. Then we put a comma and give a space. Then we use else and start the Nebensätze with that. Soon after else, we will use subject of sentence, which is Frau Müller, and here we don't have any object, so verb will come at the last position of sentence in past form because this event happened in past. More examples. Sie ist nach Deutschland gekommen. She has come to Germany, als sie 25 Jahre alt war, when she was 25 years old. Again, we are describing a past event that occurred only once, and we are putting Hauptsatz first. Hauptsatz's sentence structure is in perfect form. We know that if we put Hauptsatz first, then the sentence structure of Hauptsatz remains unchanged. So it will remain, sie ist nach Deutschland gekommen. Then we put comma and give a space. Then we start the Nebensatz with als. Soon after als, we will use the subject of sentence, which is sie. Then we use additional information 25 Jahre alt, and last position of the sentence is for verb which has to be conjugated according to subject of Nebensatz, which is sie. So waren becomes war. And next example, ich war nicht zu Hause, I was not at home, als meine Frau angerufen hat, when my wife called. Again, here the first position is for Hauptsatz, so Hauptsatz sentence structure will remain unchanged. After Hauptsatz, we use comma and give a space and start the Nebensatz with als. Soon after als, we use subject of sentence, which is meine Frau, and the Nebensatz here is again perfect tense, where we use participes Y form at second last position, and we use sein or haben verb at last position, and we conjugate it according to subject of sentence. In this sentence, we have used haben verb because for angerufen we have to use haben, and the conjugation of haben for meine Frau is hat. Next example, wir waren sehr stolz, we were very proud, als wir oben auf dem Berg ankamen, when we reached or arrived on the top of mountain. Hauptsatz comes at first position with normal sentence structure. At the end of Hauptsatz, we put a comma and give a space. Then we start Nebensatz with als, and after als, we use subject of sentence, which is wir oben auf dem Berg is additional information, and uncommon is the past form of uncommon, and its conjugation for wir remains uncommon. Ich war 13 Jahre alt, I was 13 year old, als ich zum ersten Mal ins Ausland fuhr, when I traveled abroad for the first time. Ich war 13 Jahre alt. This is a normal sentence. Hauptsatz, comma, after space, we start Nebensatz with als, and soon after als, we use subject of sentence, which is ich, zum ersten Mal. Zum is short form of zudem, and mal here is a neuter noun. In this case, we have to use the adjective ending for neuter noun mal from dative case. So ext becomes exten. First here is used as adjective. Ins again is a short form of in das, Ausland, für is the past form of fahren, and it is used at the last position of sentence, and it is conjugated according to subject ish. So these are the examples of als conjugation. When we use Hauptsatz first and Nebensatz comes after this, we have used this als conjugation for describing events that have happened in past and they occurred only once. So I hope that this use of als conjugation is clear to you now. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.